This video is for the template for the Milestone project in week 2 of Biostatistics IHP 525, assignment 2-3. For this assignment, you're welcome to follow the directions in the module and on the rubric and write the essay style assignment. If you would prefer a template, I'm going to walk you through the template so you can see what's meant to be done. In general, for all of these templates, don't delete anything in the template. The template form shouldn't be modified. The only thing you should do in a template is add your answers. Okay. The big part of this week's assignment is to pick one of the 5 questions below. Okay. Let me give you some guidance about how to pick the question. These questions go from easiest to most difficult. The first one is the easiest, and I know this because I've taught this class and have had students do all of these questions, and I believe that the first one is the easiest. You will not be graded more leniently if you choose a harder question. I would choose the easier question. You're welcome to choose anything you would like. However, I highly recommend that unless you were a statistics major in your undergrad, you pick the easiest question available. Again, I would pick the question based on how much statistics you know, not based on your familiarity with the question. Okay. Again, this is just experience of having hundreds and hundreds of students complete this project. Every once in a while, you get a student who picks a harder question and they are struggling throughout the term because things are more difficult to figure out. So let's fill this in. The first thing I would do is fill my name. I'm going to put a fake name. Let's call this person Sarah Jones. Oops. And I'm actually going to copy the question from the top list. I'm not going to retype it. If it says copy and paste, you copy and paste. Okay. Nope, and I forgot the question mark. Make sure you copy and paste that. Okay. And then you restate the question. All this is doing is showing your professor that you've actually thought about this question. Okay. And I'm actually, so I can show you what this would look like. If my question were, if I had a bag of candies with red and green candies in them, for example, holiday M&Ms. For those of you not U.S. natives, M&Ms are little chocolate candies with colorful shell on the outside. Around the holiday season, they come in packages of red and green. Okay. Let's say I'm trying to find out the weight of my M&Ms is different depending on what color the M&Ms are. So my original question that I copied and pasted, again, this is not your question, this is just for an example, is does the color of holiday M&Ms affect the weight? Okay. Let's say that were the question I'd copy and pasted. My restatement might be something like, does the weight of M&Ms depend on color in the holiday candy package? I didn't have to go into a ton of detail. I'm just showing the professor that I actually thought about the question. Okay. Again, you will not be choosing a question on candy. You will be choosing a question above, okay? But I might use that candy example throughout the templates. Okay. So you put your name, you copy and paste the question, a real simple restatement showing that you've thought about the question and understand what it means. If you have any questions about the template, please let your professor know.